Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for the camera at the Samsung Galaxy A04s. And the first thing I want to show you is you can quick launch the camera by just double tapping the power button. And you're immediately at the camera without wasting time and so on. And what is very great, this works as well if the phone is on standby. So just double tap the power button and you're immediately at the camera without unlocking the screen, looking for the camera app and so on. And hey, maybe this saves you a great picture one day. And the next point I want to show you is, did you know that you don't use the full 50 MPs of your cam? No, you're using just 12 MPs. If you want to use the full resolution of the camera, just tap here on 3 to 4, choose the most left point, 3 to 4, 50 MPs, and only now you have the full 50 megapixels of your camera. The disadvantages are, you cannot zoom in, and you have to hold your camera very steady if you're taking pictures. This is the reason why I recommend also to you to take the basic cam, which is 12 MPs. So just go here on 3 to 4 and you have the basic cam again with the 12 MPs, but the pictures becomes more smooth and so on and dynamic. Yeah, the next one I want to show you is you don't have to use the shutter button always. You can also use the volume keys. Anyhow, if it's the volume down button or the volume up button, you can take also pictures with these both buttons, what is very nice. And the same thing also with the video. Here also you can start and stop the video as well with the volume keys, and you can hold your camera like this, like in the good old past, and the same thing. So you should try it if you love it physically. Okay, the next point I want to show you is a timer. So if you want to make maybe a picture in a group or something like this, and you need to put your phone a bit more far, then you can set up a timer. Maybe here, if you go in the middle on the watch, and you can set up maybe for 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. You take your 5 seconds, means you tap on the shutter button, and after the countdown, the phone will take the picture. Yeah. Pretty nice. And the next tool I want to show you is also a bit magic, because you can say hi to your camera and it will take a selfie. Let me change the camera here. You can see that if I lift my hand like this, the phone knows that I want to make a selfie. Just lift your hand like this and the phone will make a selfie. Pretty cool. And you will see many people will greet you on the street. And the phone have more than one camera. We have 3 cams here at the back, and let me show you what you can do with these cams. So first of all, we will need help. Thank you so much for helping me. So this is the main cam here, the most powerful one. By the way, you have also a little zoom here below, and you can go, you can zoom in immediately, or you can choose also 4 times zoom or 10 times zoom. But the most quality zoom is 2 times. Or you choose the basic version. This is the main cam. But if we are very close to objects, the phone cannot focus anymore so good. And there's a way to change it to the macro cam to make it much more clear. Just go here on more, take the macro cam, and then you see the phone can focus now much better. So if you are very close to objects like 3 or 5 centimeters away, then take the macro cam and the pictures become much better. But the most quality cam is the main one, as I have said. And the third one is using some effects. If you're going here on portrait mode, you have a blurred effect. So that means that the background, so just the person, in my case our friend here, is clear and the background is not. So it will recognize a face, told you that it's ready, and I can blur the background here, as you can see. This is the basic one, and I can blur it much more, but you have to hold your cam steady that it recognizes the face. And even with our friend here, it recognizes it. And the same thing you can do also with the front cam, and then you will have this nice picture that your face is the focused one. And let me show you also 2 options here for the front cam. So this is the main one, and if you go here on the 2 guys, you will enable the ultra wide mode. So the basic one and ultra wide mode. The ultra wide mode is useful if you want to make a selfie in a group, that more people are on the picture. So pretty cool. Yeah, let me show you something else. For that we will need the rear cam and help of my friend. Okay, if you're going here on the magic sticks, we will have the chance to make the picture a bit more warm. Or put it in a lollipop style, or make it colder, or we have so much more options here. Choose an option you want to have. You can have it even in black and white and so on. And another point here at the magic stick is the point face. It's a beauty filter. If you turn it on here, then you can make yourself a bit more skinny. You can reduce the jawline, or you can change the skin tone. You can make it a bit more smooth and so on. And yeah, but let me turn it off, because we don't need a beauty filter, because we are beautiful like we are. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with that and show you something nice here for your phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can subscribe me as well if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao. And think about it, you're beautiful like you are.